Hey folks, Hurricane Franklin going into Mexico later tonight, about 500 miles or so south of the valley. The season's first hurricane. Even though it's that far away, still some important things going on at the coast. Until 10 o'clock tomorrow night, there's a high rip current risk, a high surf advisory with coastal flooding a possibility. Also a small craft advisory, mainly for these offshore waters, which are getting pretty rough. But again, the high rip current risk means probably not a good idea to go deep into the water tomorrow at all. And the high surf advisory, coastal flooding, suggesting there won't be a whole lot of beach tomorrow. The water will be running probably all the way up to the dunes. And here's why. Here's Franklin way down here. Again, that's about 500 miles, or the distance from here to Dallas, but just the other direction down to the south. But look at the wave heights with this thing. Down in the center, you're looking at waves of about 24 feet. So big waves right in the middle, but those ripple out from that. They kind of drop off, but just offshore from here, waves are running about 7 feet right now. And as this continues moving off to the west, some of those bigger waves will come up, create that coastal flooding, create the rip current problem. It'll last for about a day, and by tomorrow night, it'll begin to settle again as this system moves on into Mexico. There's what it looks like on satellite, and the radar reaches about this far south, so you can see the edge of the radar shows rain, but obviously there's a lot more down here in the center of this storm. Winds are up to 85 miles per hour. It's Category 1 hurricane. There are the coordinates, moving to the west at about 13 miles an hour. By tomorrow morning, it will be inland in Mexico, north of Veracruz, and then moving off to the west from there, and that'll be the end of it. It'll go into the mountains and dissipate. What's left of it could reemerge into the Pacific and become an issue over there. We'll watch for that. In the meantime, here's our radar tonight. Most of the rain's been offshore. We did see some showers come in right at the coast and then dissipate. The rest of the valley quiet for the moment. Now, Future Track suggests that most of the night is quiet, but then during the daytime tomorrow, showers and perhaps a thunderstorm or two get caught up in that flow and sneak through the valley. So you could see 1 or 2 rounds of showers or thunderstorms. I think total rainfall, ½ an inch maybe in most places at most. Friday, still a spotty shower or two, and then Saturday, I think our chance of rain pretty much gone. We dry out by the time we get to the weekend, and then we stay that way. 40, 20, and dry. Those are your rain chances for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Once again, if you're headed to the coast, here's the important information. A high rip current risk, a high surf advisory, UV's extreme, the afternoon temperatures in the mid-80s, easterly winds at about 12. And you see all the other information there, the tides, 638, 1051, small craft advisory, in effect, mainly for the offshore waters. So for tonight, we bottom out at 78 with a stray shower thunderstorm, and then tomorrow, showers and a thunderstorm around a high of about 95. Not 100, not 102, but actually a little bit cooler, almost like a cold front, right? 99 on Friday, spotty shower, and then after that, 100, 101, 101, 101. Plenty of sunshine, highs and about 100, nighttime lows. Upper 70s, maybe even low 80s. We'll keep an eye on all the rain and have an update for you just a little bit later on. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Dave?